Hey Norm, hope you are well, mates. So, just an update with the Jout method and Jeff's funnel. He's actually moved everything over onto his Kajabi page. So, what I need you to do for us is to connect up the Stripe account that he has over onto his Kajabi. So, nothing now will be in our ClickFunnels. Everything is going to go through Kajabi and his Kajabi. So I'll send through the logins for his Kajabi for you. You should have his Stripe logins. You may need to get him to send you an authentication code to get into Stripe. So just let me know how you go and if you need that. But otherwise, jump in, just create the sub account in Stripe, connect it up to his Kajabi. It'll be $70 a month for $70 a month every 30 days or every month. So the same way it's set up at the moment, but we'll just need to set up a new product, set up a new account for it, and then connect it up over here. Another thing is we will need to add the Facebook pixel. I'll send that through in the teamwork as well. I think you can just plug it into Kajabi pretty easily and it'll put it across all your pages. So just if you can work through that today and let me know how you go and we can get that up and running this week, that'll be great. Thanks, mate.